Welcome to a very short lesson on blended training in the classroom, presented in the context of a NYSERDA Energy Code and Lighting course. PowerPoint is a very potent teaching tool, but all too often it has become a substitute rather than a supplement for presentations and teaching. Such misuse ignores the most important rule of speaking: respect your audience. This lesson on blended training in the classroom will demonstrate how good instructional design can bring more dynamic and engaging training to Energy Code learners. At the end of this course, viewers will be able to recognize various presentation options, including video, animation, charts, graphs, and interactive panoramas. Integrate face-to-face classroom presentations with workbooks, group discussions, and hands-on demonstrations. And finally, viewers will be able to see how blended instructional design and dynamic classroom training can teach New York State energy codes in the classroom today and online tomorrow. This slide demonstrates the effectiveness of simple text and graphic animation. Colorful, highlighted text and graphics puts a focus on important topics. In a half-day course, learners need variety. Embedded video provides breaks and enlivens a presentation, but more importantly, video can bring the job site into the classroom and introduce us to new experts. Video has the greatest impact when the subject and audience are matched, as in these lighting control video segments aimed at architects, designers, and engineers. To adapt training to regional needs, slides and embedded video segments can be visible or hidden depending on the New York State region. In addition to on-screen presentations, interactive classroom tasks can help keep learners involved. The use of workbooks can break up presentation monotony, help orient learners to find information, and create networking opportunities. Workbooks can be projected on screen for classroom viewing, used for individual or team exercises in situational learning, and taken on the job site to be used as refresher content. Sometimes video is just too noisy to be informative. Busy backgrounds, odd angles, and other conditions often make videos difficult and expensive to shoot. Often, animated drawings and 3D explainers are a better choice for demonstrating complex ideas. Taking classes out to a job site is expensive and time-consuming. But an interactive 3D panorama, like the photosynth shown here, can bring the job site to the classroom. Used to break up a presentation, showcase real-world examples, and foster learner interaction, this medium can be further enhanced with hotspots that launch in-depth explainer videos, animations, and links to other panoramas. And by viewing before and after examples of job sites, presenters can focus on inconsistencies, code violations, and other non-compliance issues. As we've seen, when assorted digital mediums are blended into classroom training, the learner gains a richer, engaging experience that encourages more collaboration and higher subject retention. Naturally, high-quality content, as showcased in this presentation, will cost slightly more than dull courses with text and line charts presented by lackluster hosts. There is, however, a huge cost-saving benefit to NYSERDA. The digital content, including audio, video, animation, and the other assets described in this short lesson, contains many of the components needed to move courses online. At the end of this code training program, NYSERDA will own these assets, and with minor enhancements and voice recordings, we'll be able to transform these face-to-face presentations into valuable long-term online training.